Okay, for this project you're going to be making a portrait. A portrait is a picture of a person. You're going to be using any objects from around your house. In this slide, the people who made these portraits used food. If you're going to use food, please make it a snack afterwards. Don't waste food. If you don't have food to use, then you can always use something else. Like in this example, the person who made these portraits went outside and collected materials and then made their portrait using materials found outdoors. In this slide, the different people who made theirs used art supplies and some outdoor materials. So it just depends on what you want to use and what you can find around your house, okay? So it's up to you. You'll make your portrait, take a picture through Seesaw, and then add it to your journal so I can check it. Have fun!